right, and we're back. It's a beautiful day today. The heat wave is over. Puppy's happy. You've been awful good today, aren't you, buddy? Well, he needs some lovin's. So we were down here working with the pile today. Yeah, haven't we? Yeah. Anyways, kisses. There you go. All right, hop down. I gotta get to work. Move. Stay down. No jumping. He's been really good today. He hasn't jumped on me all day. It's a bad habit. And he's breaking on his own. So there's what's left of the pile. All that'll go in the truck pretty much. What I'm doing now is just taking stuff apart, throwing it in the truck. It's the tedious part of being who we are. Now, just doing simple little things down here into this pile here. Try to bring as much stuff down because tomorrow it's supposed to start raining, probably rain for about, I think it said 3 or 4 days of rain. So, we got today to get done as much of the stuff as we can. My bucket of stuff goodies go in. And yes, I break these here apart here for the brass. Little piece of brass in each one of these, so. We'll just go through a couple of little things here. I cleaned off that sheet of aluminum there off a backup washing machine. Nope, dryer. All right. Dang it. So this is the joys of scrapping. So the idea is I'll get as much stuff to load up tonight as I can. And tomorrow, while I should have the truck loaded, hook the trailer on. We'll throw some cast number 1 on the trailer and 2 barbecues on the trailer. I'm going to take that table thing for an outside workspace. I like it. And ain't that weird now? Usually they're Robert's head, but this one here. All right, I'm just gonna be. Oops. Use my best friend here. And just beat it off. Maybe not. I haven't got the time or patience for that. Woohoo! Probably snap this side out better. We just work it off like that. There we go. There's the ballast. This up in the truck. So I want to pop that open. I guess it opens like that. And ouch. Now that's on with the Robert screw. Now this here is actually copper aluminum red. Look at the center of the heaters here. And there's copper aluminum red. And we just have to remove this thing. Get our glove on. And there's a aluminum red. Now, take a little bit of wire out of here. Keep the hinge on if we can for brass recovery. Yep. There we go, put that in the bucket. Here we go. There. More wires. And off the other side here. Screw there for the halibut. I said halibut. Like to fish. Well, I ain't fighting for that 5 cents worth of wire. But we'll cut as short as we can here. Here. Ooh. Look at this now. Bit of brass. Wow, that one's flying. Oh, where'd it go? Here's that piece. Let's go in the bucket there. The rest of this is shred. So that's what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of the evening, guys. Pick up all those golf clubs up and check them all out. Process them other day. But yeah, we got her on the run, guys. So that's what we're doing with our day on a beautiful Saturday. It's a bit muggy, but the sun's gone down now. So, well, not gone down, but it's behind the clouds. And we can work away at this and get this all loaded up and tore apart and loaded up. And we're going to take the these motors and stuff inside and whatnot to separate out inside the building tomorrow when it's raining. Got the bucket there. We got a bunch of stuff inside already. We got our powered aluminum sheets, or sheet aluminum to take in. So, yeah, I might just need some more scrap next week. We still got the shop in the city full of stuff. So I have a doctor's appointment on Wednesday, I think. So I go in for that. I'll just go to the shop and take a load of shred out of it and see what's around there. And we'll probably see before that, but if not, we'll see then. Thanks for being here, guys. Y'all take care, and yeah, whew, God bless.